Watch videos and earn $2 every minute. Open the videos in 10 tabs and earn $20 every minute. For watching videos, you will easily get over $200 every 10 minutes. This website has paid almost about $600,000 to people, and everyday people are withdrawing $5 on average. You can withdraw your earnings into your PayPal account, in crypto wallets, as gift cards. Stay subscribed and let's begin step by step. Step number 1. Click on the register account icon and get yourself registered. It will ask you for some basic details like your username, email address, and a short password, and then after filling the CAPTCHA, you will be logged in with a new account into this website. You could also create your account with Google or Twitch. Then click on the Earn option, and you will see a lot of methods to earn money online. You could watch streams, listen to music, watch video clips, take quizzes, and even play games and earn money with this website. At the top, you could see that a lot of people are earning money from this website. Now, to watch video streams and earn money, just click on the Watch Streams option. And under the Featured Stream heading, you will see a lot of streams, especially gaming streams, are active right now. I will reveal the website name in a few seconds, and you can just watch these streams and earn money for free. This is a 100% legal website and also pays you money. Well, the name of this website is rewardyio, and it has paid lots of money to its users. It has got about 4.5-star rating on Trustpilot. It has about 1,500 reviews. Now, you can watch streams of popular games like Overwatch 2, PUBG, Rust, Fortnite, Call of Duty, and many more. Because I am an Overwatch 2 game lover, I clicked on the stream of Overwatch 2. Now comment down below which game you like the most, so that in the future we could upload videos on how to earn money by playing your favorite games. For watching this stream, I will get $2 points per minute. And this is not only the single trick by which you could earn money by watching videos from this website. You could open the streams of different games into different tabs so that you could boost your earning. Again, come to Home and click on the Earn icon, and here you could see the Watch Clips option. After clicking on that, you will see that it will tell you to install or open the application and then enter your same username over there. And after that, you will earn money for watching short trending clips from live streams. You could earn somewhere between $1 points and $10 points, and even one raffle ticket for every 5 minutes you watch. This raffle ticket will help you to boost your earnings. You could install this app into your Android and then start earning even more money. You could also play games like Flappy Birds and earn money. For that, click on the Flappy Bird option, and it will tell you to install and open the application and enter the same username and earn money every minute. You could also boost your earnings by taking the advantage of bonus points. We will just have to follow and like the 3 most recent posts on this channel to earn money for free. You will get $25 points if you follow and like the posts off TikTok. You will also earn money for liking Instagram posts for free. This would take you no time, so I suggest you do this all. With that, you will earn about $250 points for free. Like every website, this website also gives you the opportunity to earn money by inviting your friends into this website. For that, click on the referral option, and you could earn 5% of your friends' total withdrawal. If you want to earn more just by watching videos, then click on the Complete Offers option. After clicking on this option, you will get into the page where it will give some featured offers. Under that, you will see that you could watch clips and earn money for free. Click on the View Offer option, and it will tell you to install and open the app and enter the same username. Now, you might say that most of these offers are only for Android and iOS users, and not for desktop users. But that's not the case. In a few minutes, I will show you how you could earn money with desktop even. But comment down below that which device you use the most so that in the future we could upload more videos and earning tricks for your preferred device. To earn money while watching videos from your desktop, you could click on the Add Send Media offer. Under that, you could see a lot of ways to earn money. First, you will have to complete your general registration and you will start getting offers after that. In the top area, you will see the videos option. Click on that and you will get to see a lot of options to earn money while watching videos and even with your desktop. Under this, you will get a lot of categories for videos. And clicking on the Start Earning option, you will get to see the guidelines of what it says you need to do. Again, click on Start Earning, and it will open a new tab on your desktop device. And under that, it will automatically play a video and will give you money for free. With AdSend Media, you could earn money by taking surveys, installing mobile apps, and doing free trials as well. It does not end here. You will get to see a lot more options to earn free money for doing some easy tasks. Step number 2. Now come back to this page and click on Lootably. Under this, you will also see a lot of offers and options to earn money for installing apps and many more, but because we are talking about videos, I will tell you the process to earn money while watching videos under this section. Click on the Videos option you could see on the top. Under that, you will see a lot of tasks offering money for watching videos. You just need to sign up and watch videos and then redeem your points into your account. You will get video topics like food, DIY, gaming, business, and many more. On clicking the Watch Video option, it will open a new tab and will tell you to sign up, and after signing up to this website, you will get to see videos and will automatically give you money into your account. Now with this website, people are earning a lot more dollars not by just watching videos, but also by installing apps. As I said to you, it has a lot more options to install apps and earn money. For example, click on AYT Studios, and you will see a lot more apps which you could install into your Android device or in your iOS device and earn money for free. You will also get the section to filter your required apps, that is, on which device you want to install the app and earn money. Under this, you will get the desktop icon, and you could see I am getting 3 offers right now. Don't worry, this will give you offers as you move on with doing the tasks. With this website, you could also earn money for attending surveys. BitLabs, Revenue Universe, and a lot more offers will give you money for attending surveys. Under this, you will also see a specific section where you could see the survey providers of this website. That is, these options will help you earn money for attending surveys. On this website, you will also earn money for completing very easy challenges. Under this, you could see that you will earn 1,000 points or even more in every 24 hours to keep your streak. That is, you will have to log in every day, and you will automatically earn money for free. You could join their Discord and you will receive 24 coins. You will see a lot of offers from which you will get some bonus points. You could even watch streams for 480 minutes and earn some free dollar points. From the leaderboard, you could see a lot of users who earn money and got prizes. That means if you earn the most amount of coins, you will be rewarded some extra benefits. This website is giving out free PayPal money, and you must not miss this opportunity to earn some cash for yourself. Under the Earn option, you will see the opportunity to earn money by listening to music. Now the trick is, you can turn on the music in the background and do your tasks and earn some money for free. Step number 3, it is the most interesting part, how to take the withdrawal into your bank account and other wallets. For that, you will have to click on the withdrawal option, and you will see a lot of methods to take your money into your Grab. You could take the amount through Litecoin by clicking on the option. The minimum amount is 2,000 points, which is really very easy to earn within a few hours. You could also take your money into your PayPal account and also other cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum. You could also take the withdrawal through gift cards. You will see that Visa gift cards, Amazon gift card, Roblox gift card are available as options. On average, people are withdrawing $6.50 each day. People all over the world have earned almost about $600,000 with this website. But if you want me to take the withdrawal into my own bank account, then help me complete 3,000 likes on this video, and I will make an integrated video on the payment proof. That's it for today's video. Thank you for watching.